The advantages of using the two-sided gusset plate on the top of the brick-making machine are to increase stability. The two-sided gusset plate structure can provide better stability, especially during high-speed operation. It reduces shock and vibration, making the operation of the brick-making machine smoother and more controllable. Helping to produce high-quality bricks. Reduced maintenance. A two-sided gusset design is generally more durable than other designs because it reduces wear and damage. This reduces maintenance costs and extends the life of the equipment.